Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helps you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to copy a link to any video from YouTube to Facebook. To do this, you go to YouTube. For example, I want to repost this video. I click on the share button, and you click Facebook. The link is copied. Go to Facebook. Then you create a post with a link to your video. You click publish, and the video is displayed on your profile. You can also copy the link to the video when you are in the list of all videos on the channel or in the recommended videos. As you can see, this is a very easy and quick way. Done. There's nothing complicated about it. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel, and also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Thanks. See you later. Bye-bye.